If your Fiverr account was just disabled in 2026, do not panic and do not click the Create New Account button yet. Fiverr has completely overhauled their appeal system this year. They are now using an AI bot to read your first appeal automatically, and if you say the wrong words, a human never even sees your ticket. In the next 3 minutes, I will give you the exact 2026 strategy to bypass that AI, get a real human reviewer, and restore your account fast. Let's dive in. 031 o'clock, Step 1. Understand the new AI filter. In previous years, you could include an emotional appeal, but in 2026, that will be rejected. The AI scans for trigger words like unfair, cheating, or scam. If it detects any of these, your ticket is automatically closed. Instead, your first message must be cold, professional, and short. Start by mentioning a specific order ID or client name to prove you are a real seller. State the exact rule you violated in one sentence. Then, instead of asking for an appeal, ask for a policy clarification. This simple wording tricks the AI into flagging your ticket for manual human review instead of auto-rejecting it. 1 o'clock 1:50, Step 2. Prepare for biometric verification. If you successfully get past the AI, Fiverr support in 2026 will almost always request a live biometric match. They no longer accept just a photo of your ID. Now, they require a 10-second video selfie where you blink and turn your head slowly. This prevents freelancers from using rented or fake IDs. When you receive this request, you must complete it immediately on your phone in natural daylight. Do not use filters, do not wear sunglasses, and do not hesitate. If you delay more than an hour, the system marks you as suspicious and denies your appeal permanently. Speed and clarity are your best friends here. 1:52:20, Step 3. Know the new cooldown period. Let's be realistic for 2026. Fiverr is getting stricter due to new global identity verification laws. If you have been banned twice, the old 90-day waiting period is now extended to 180 days. While you wait, do not sit idle. The smartest freelancers are taking their existing client list and moving them to private contracts via email or messaging apps. At the same time, start migrating your portfolio to alternative platforms like Contra or Juno, which currently charge zero commission and pay significantly higher rates than Fiverr. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. 2:23 o'clock, one final critical warning for 2026. Fiverr now uses advanced browser fingerprinting technology. If you try to open a new account on the same laptop, same Wi-Fi network, or even the same browser, they will detect you instantly, even with a new ID. If you absolutely must start over after your cooldown, use a completely fresh device, a different internet connection, and a new email address. That wraps up the 2026 Fiverr Recovery Playbook. Follow these steps exactly, and you have a real chance to get back to earning. If this guide helped you, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss my latest freelancing survival tips. Drop the word recover in the comments and good luck.